Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. In this video, I want to show you how to open Microsoft Word document from scratch and also understand the different sections of Microsoft Word window. So before we continue, just remember to subscribe, like and share the videos. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think. So to start, you're going to click on the start button, then type Word. Double click to open it. Then here is going to open for you sample templates that you can use from scratch. And in our case, you're going to use the blank document. And this is how the Microsoft Word 2016 window looks like. And before you start using any application, always make sure that you understand the different tools that are there so that it's easier for you to use them when you start working. So to identify the different parts of the Microsoft Word window, we're going to start with the quick access toolbar, which is at the topmost corner, topmost left corner of the window right there. So the quick access toolbar is used to display frequently used commands so that you're able to access them with ease and faster. So if you have any commands that you'll be using most of the time, you can always customize your ribbon so that you have them there and access them anytime that you want. Then the other important part of the Microsoft Word window is the ribbon. So the whole of this part is the ribbon. The ribbon is divided into several sections. The first one, here we have the tabs, and these are the tabs that are there in Microsoft Word. And you can always customize so that you add the ones that you need that are not here. So we have the home tab, we have the insert, we have design, we have the layout, among others. So in the different tabs, you're going to have different items or different tools for different purposes. Then another part of the ribbon, we have the groups. So groups contain related items or related commands that you can use to execute different things in Microsoft Word. For example, home tab, we have the font group, you have the paragraph, we have the styles, and you have the editing group. And lastly, we have the commands. Commands are the ones that are going to execute specific things in Microsoft Word. For example, the home tab editing group, we have the find command, we have the replace command, and we have the select command. Each one of them has a specific role to perform. Then also another important part of this window is the help section. If you need any help and you don't know where to start or you don't have any reference material, then Microsoft Office Word will provide you with that option to search whatever that you need so that it gives you a solution. So you can always, for example, if you don't know how to insert a table in Microsoft Word, all you need to do is type insert table, then it will give you the steps on how to go about it. Then now we also have the top right corner, we have these commands here. The first one is one for displaying and hiding the ribbon. So you can always auto hide the ribbon, show the tabs or show tabs and commands. Then you also have the minimize buttons. We have the maximize and we have the close if you want to exit the application. Another part is the document area. The document area is used for placing the content, or it's like the working area in your document. Anything that you want to add in your page, this is the area that you're going to work with. Then at the bottom, at the very bottom, we have different items. We have the status bar. On the status bar, you're going to see different tools. You're going to see different tools. We have the number of pages in your document. We have the number of words. Then on the far right, you can change the view of your document from one view to another. You can as well use the tool here to either increase or decrease the area of typing or the document area. And I think those are the main parts that you need to understand for you to be able to work with. So hope you like the video. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and thank you for watching.